Yup, it's El Proto from alloneprostudio, and today I want to show you cool automation technique that you can use on your backing vocals. You can use it on almost anything. You just need to watch and take what you want to take. So let's hear and pick the part we want to use for this lesson.
If na comment to come, it must be live. If na comment to come, it must be live.
Okay, so what we want to do, we want it must be to be on the left side of the speaker and light to be on the right side of your speakers. So they are already in the mixer here, and we are going to do it to the backup, not the main vocal. So
if na comment to come, it must be live.
So this is the backup here. This is where the panning is done in the mixer. So left or right. Let's leave it at the center. Now we just right click, go to automation, create automation clip, go on create. Then next lesson. So the automation clip is here. So I guess down should be the left. Let's see. Okay, down is the left. Then I'm gonna take this side up. Now let's see what happens.
If na comment to come, it must be live.
Let's go to look at.
If na comment to come, it must be live.
So you see it's going from the left to the right.
If na comment to come, it must be live. If na comment to come, it must be live.
So you see it's just this part of the lesson without even going further. If you end here, you've gotten something great. You can pan from the left to the right. Now,
if na comment to come, it must be live.
So you can use this creatively. Let's see how we can even do it. So I'll use right click to add a point, then bring that point. So I want to bring this all the way. This is the word, it must be live. So let's say it this way.
If na comment to come, it must be live. If na comment to come, it must be live.
So it's just moving from one side to the other side.
If na comment to come, it must be live. If na comment to come, it must be live.
You can use that to do something creative. Think about it. You can. Okay, what I want is it must be to be on the left. So I'll left click here. Sorry, I'll right click on the middle here and bring it down. So that means this side is to the left because down is to the left. Then I'll right click here, then I'll left click and take it up. So it must be will be to the left and lie will be to the right. That's what I want. Let's see what happens. So look at the left and right movement here.
If na comment to come, it must be live. If na comment to come, it must be live.
So you said it must be to one side and lies to the other side.
Morning.